We've got titanium white, Indian yellow, phthalo green, crimson, phthalo blue, and a touch of bright red. So I'm just going to go into the Indian yellow, and we'll go somewhere in the middle. Let's go bring this colour up here, let that blend out a little bit there. Phthalo green, and we're going to go over here. There we go. We're going to go into the phthalo blue now, and we're just going to go somewhere over here. Bit of phthalo blue. Just mix that in. We're going to go into some crimson now, okay? Crimson colour. Dab that in the crimson, and we're going to go all over here. Let's just go down a little bit more. About here. Right, now I'm going to touch a little bit of bright red into this, in this corner. Just for a bit of colour change there. Look at that. Work that into the canvas. I'm going to bring a bit of that blue over to here as well. Right, let's go into some blue, some green together. Let's look a bit of this phthalo green and go over here. I'm going to make sort of a watercolour with the blue, the green. Yeah, look. That green and blue really go well together. Something like this colour. I think that'll be okay. Right, I'm just going to do the whole bottom here of this colour. Probably about halfway. Maybe just below. I'm just going to have some water in this, but I'm going to have the water, you know, a little bit different to the top. Hopefully I can bring some reflections down into this, but we'll see what happens. Just blend that out. There we go, done. As soon as that starts changing colour, just move the brush about. There we go. That's an interesting sound, isn't it? Okay, that's changing colour now. I'm just putting the minimalist of paint on here, really. Make some bright spots, some dark spots. Listen to the sound of that. That's great. That is ASMR all over. Something like that. Like I said, I just wanted really the colours on there tonight, and I've left a few bits here and there just for some like texture of the sky. I think it'll add a bit of flavour. We can come back and add more white if we want to. Play about with these colours. Look, this is what I was interested in, the colours tonight. Okay, so here we go. Just pull that colour down. I'm going to dip into the yellow just a little bit here. Just pull some of that down. Oh, yes. Let's blend this off, right? Okay, so we're going to pull down here, obviously. We've got some streaks of yellow going through there. That's it, basically. We got all these colours here. Let's use them up. Let's go with some green, some crimson, some blue. Let's take that black. Let's just make a nice dark colour in the middle here. More green there. There we go, done. So it shows. Because we've got that little bit of movement on the canvas, not used to that. I'm thinking, just let things happen. Okay. Let things happen, there's some little hills there. We're going to lift up and have some little tiny trees in the back. It's quite far away, we don't need a lot. Just pull some of that into the water reflection. Pull this down, okay? And then obviously just go across with that. Maybe some thinner bits come in. Some little... Just have something that comes in here. There we go. And it meets up this here. There we go. Make some things there. Because that's close, we can see them sort of grassy edges. Just tap into that with the knife. Want the smallest amount on there. And we're just going to put the, just so you can see, right the way over there. Something there. Something there. Just some brown. Mix all that colour up together. That brown and that dark colour. It's just changed it to like a darker brown. Okay, here it comes. This one lives here. Right, I'm going to go this way this time. Okay, just the basic shape. Some little tree branches, plenty of thinner. There we go. Bring this one over here. And then it comes off. Have a little one there. Some phthalo blue, alizarin crimson. Just get this right. Mix some of this white. Should make a nice sort of purplish sort of colour. You see that? If you wanted to, we're going to do somewhere down like that. Down here. Just make all these little things. There we go. Beautiful. I want some leaves on these trees, but what I'm thinking about is doing like a dark undertone first and then light on top, or whether just to go for the light. So I'm literally, look, this is what I'm doing down here. It's making this sort of purple colour, but I've just had a little bit of crimson. It's getting there. Okay. Can you see this? The two different colours there. I've added some red in there and some white. There we go. Well, that's our two colours for the trees. This is what I want as an undertone sort of thing.